Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPWR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Real nice move today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support and then we can talk levels of resistance. Let's first start by talking about some levels of support, and the original area of support that I want to focus on here is what I would call the ideal level. We've said, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up above 14.25. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 14.25, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 14.25 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? As far as where the sellers are at, key general congestion area right up around 14.75, so watch that. And then if the price can push up through 14.75, next overarching area after that, and I get it, the chart's hard to see, but this is a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the chart's history. It just shows that the price has not been up this high for a while. But after 14.75, next key overarching level right up there around the $15 mark. But anyway, look at it. Great movement today. And then great volume you can see here looking back, well above average. So let's see if this is the start of something bigger or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.